If you're looking for that special gift for that special someone, maybe you, maybe not, this is the estate sale you want to hit up this weekend. But only if you're looking for a sale where one of the most delightfully overachieving collections of luxury fashion, handbags, jewelry, holiday decor, and more was assembled for your shopping pleasure. Step inside and you're greeted by the handbags. Chanel, Hermes, Kelly's, Louis Vuitton trunks, the kind of pieces you usually admire from a distance, while a boutique employee decides if you look like someone they need to watch. But here you can simply pick them up and decide if they deserve you. Then zoom on out to the collection of couture that spans decades. Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, Gaultier, Halston, and pieces with enough personality to file their own taxes. There's a crystal-covered Gucci moto jacket that may actually have its own gravitational pull. Dresses that were glamorous long before retro became a marketing word. And furs, brocades, silks, sequins, basically a fabric history lesson, but way more fun. Every table, every rack, every corner holds something glorious. Tapestry bags, evening clutches, vintage robes, even costume wings from the Lyric Opera of Chicago. Because why shouldn't your next estate sale find have a stage credit? It's the rare sale where you may leave somehow reconsidering your entire personal aesthetic in a great way. So rush on over, try things on, pretend you're not already imagining yourself owning that Chanel denim dress or that black Hermes Kelly bag. A little unlimited this week, Friday through Sunday, Glenview. And follow Picardy for the best estate sales.